Smith! Undefeated Aaron McKenna!
That we never knew we needed.
To the right hand, there he goes! Right, he's that same shot! Right hand hurts Palacio early on, and he takes the... And they do for him in Ireland for McKenna. Oh, and there he is, a left hook, and down goes Keith Freeman. For this fight specifically. His nickname the silencer, if he doesn't talk. Oh! He talks with his punches.
3. He continues.
The fight is over, so...
Smith is doing the business to Vargas. Snapping jab, but look at Vargas trying to... The crowd's on their feet. They're snapping it! It's also mental pressure. He's not giving out any further.
The only blemish on his professional career so far, and it was that same eye. And now Smith goes on the attack. Lands a brilliant left hook. Fowler now.
To the right hand, and there he goes! Right, he's that same shot!
Now with all of that experience, as here, he knows he'll get another opportunity. He whips in the right hand. Left hook, and Fowler trying to regain his composure. Smith opening up here. This is a blistering attack. Desperate there, lunging in. Wings in an overhand right. Fowler Smith, but immediately Fowler responds. Oh, he's got a brilliant left hook from Liam Smith. And the referee has a good look, and it's all over.
Still wants to get Ivica Gogosevic out of there.
I'd like to see McKenna up the pace a little bit now. That was a joke, of course, because he's 100 miles an hour.
Oh, left hook from McKenna. Backward step. Again, he jolts the head back. Still wants to stop him.
With a guy here that covers him so well. He's broke through.
Just there for... Left hook and Gogosevic is over. And the right hook and hook to the body, and he's down again. He slips. Aaron McKenna just finds the target there. He's done well to get up there. That was a sharp punch, and Gorbich hasn't quite recovered here. Got to get off those ropes. McKenna is picking his shots well. Really good finishing. Guard of his opponents, and again Gorbich is proving a hard nut to crack. This guy, because he is a true survivor, isn't he, Gorbich? He took big shots, he's got to get out of that corner. Pressure again, and you heard his dad say that occasionally he become a little bit predictable, so then you want him to work more with his jab. Tough man. Immune to punches, and that's what's happened here with Gorbich. He's rallied.
This silence! Sound being game as always.
Eggington has got to find a way just to...
Yeah, he is marking up. There's a left hook from Liam.
The shots again. And here it is, Eggington up on the ropes again. And well, that's a very good referee in Bob Williams as well.
Good body.
So those left hands, Eggington can't miss them.
It's as if it's not tough enough for Sam Eggington with a closed right eye. It's just become tougher. I think any time now it's going to come.
I'm happy to see this one stop.
You know, not which makes him so strong in there. Oh, that's lovely punches. I think
Eggington is just being used as target practice here. Yeah,
there we go. I think that was the right decision.
Right hand hurts Palacio early on, and he takes the knee. As Aaron comes from a fighting family, his father, Fargal, is the Papa coach for the amateur Irish young men, but here, Out comes Fari Palacios. A hurt fighter is a dangerous fighter, Joel. Always, because they know they're coming to get you. But then McKenna. Body shots there, and then, ooh. That overhand right, that, ooh, that's who's gonna do it right there, because he's powerful so far here in round one. Nice uppercut as he forces Palacios to take a step back, and he just loads up on those uppercuts here, trying to finish the fight. Look at the... You want a box? No, go ahead. The referee asked if you want to go. Here in this 9th round. There are a couple of good shots downstairs. Kind of fighter. He wears his man down. That's a really good round. Success. More for Smith. Yeah, he's thrown much more punches in this round. And he's coming on strong in the closing seconds of this 9th. This has been the best spell of the fight. And this is real toe-to-toe action in the closing seconds of a dramatic 9th round. What a round. What a round. Massive. I think Williams is being pulled out. Is he? He's being pulled out. He's being pulled out of it. And Gary Lockett. Buzz of excitement about Aaron McKenna. We're looking forward. Like what I see as well. See how we come charging out from his corner. Get the centre of the ring. Quite honest. Working behind that punch. Nice straight punches. This will be a test for him tonight. So that should be that'll be the challenge for USA. Lots of quality work. And the first to have them both with us here. So this is a classy start, Joe. He calls himself a silencing. But this is a tough ask for him already. It's going to be difficult to actually pierce that guard. So plenty of feints without, and then follows it up with the uppercuts. This is high quality. Already a sense that Grenham is just trying to survive in there. That was some name drop. Had the privilege of being with the great man tilting here. There the shots that made, just open in stop, but suddenly that 6th round looks quite a long way. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see if McKenna can maintain this pace. Oh, there's that left hook to the body we spoke about. Well, he's really going for broke with these uppercuts for keep right. There he goes down the way. Oh, if the gun shield went out, you've got to keep going into the ref. Finds a spot to put it back in. Right hand from Smith. Are there one or two short signals? Yes, there are. From the Marquinhos. He's out of there. Picks it up and he's stopped the fight. That's it. Good variety there in close from Smith. Good body shot back from Kelly. Kelly trying to fight back off those ropes. Oh, that's a good right uppercut from Smith. And the left hook. I don't think he's got him on that, Barry. Bravery is keeping him upright. Oh, and down they go. Bravery keeping a very good look at him, and the white towel's coming in. There you go. That should have been a knockdown. Anthony Bingham holds the white towel out over the ring. Before the fight, with the right eye, so that's standing open. That was a little bit of a actually got by Liam Smith, so just takes the sting out, and it's good work in the spot. Yeah, trying to shrug off some of these blows. Again, he has Canelo on the ropes. Having a bit of success with that right hand round the back of the gloves. 3 uppercuts in a row from Canelo. A chopping right hand there back on Smith. Exchange at close distance. Lima looking to try and get on top of him. Here, a lot of pushing, and it's physical on the inside, and very hot as well. A good right hand from McKenna. Just before that, there was a cracking left hand in there from Lima too, and this has been a grueling... Don't waste as much energy, don't get ragged. That's good work from McKenna, just letting fast little flurry goes there from him, and he's really digging in here with Lima. Good uppercut. Up against... Hitters, aren't they, but Aaron here. Occasionally may have to draw on a few feints here and there, Dave, just to maybe make this fella come up out of his shell a little bit, or beat him to the shot with a counter-attack. Yes, they've dominated in the lower divisions, haven't they, but he's not a punch bag. Aaron McKenna! Looks a little bit low, but again, targeting. Nice hands from Radosevic getting through, but you feel that the heavier punches are from the half-smiling Liam Smith, which I think has probably come from the nose. That's a nice jab. That's what Joe Gallagher wants to see more of. It's a good, accurate, sustained attack. Great body shot. It was the left hook again that did it. Second round. And back towards his corner. And he's taken a knee. He's been counted out. Counted out in the second round. And the power of Smith